Wel, efo'r cyfyngiadau teithio 5 milltir wedi cael eu codi, mi oedd hi'n braf cael bod allan eto heddiw o'r diwedd. A'r stop cyntaf i heddiw yng Nghaergybi oedd Bragdy Cybi, lle mae Daniel a Bethan wedi bod yn treulio'r misoedd dwytha yn adeiladu i busnes newydd sbon, mewn amgylchiadau anodd iawn.
Mae'n gyfnod rhyfeddol mewn lot o ffyrdd, ond dyma chi fel busnes yn ffynnu, dwi'n meddwl, ydych?
Dim eich di bach yn surreal, dydy, o'n i'n disgwyl bysa ni yn ffynnu mewn cyfnod mor rhyfadd. Ond da ni wedi lle, a mae hynny yn lot i ddiolch am cefnogaeth lleol, dydy, achos dim ond o bobl lleol sydd wedi gallu bod yma i gweld ni ers ni agor y mis Mai.
A lot o bobl yn dweud bod o'r cyfnod gweitha posib efallai i ddechrau busnes, ond mae yna rhyw dron y gymffon ydych chi wedi deimlo hefyd bosib, bod o'n gallu bod yn helpu chi?
Ydy, mae dyn ni cyfle ni nabod i ni sydd yn mwynhau y gwrw, be maen nhw ar ôl, a be mae farchnad y gofyn am o ran ffigurau sydd yn helpu ni wedyn dod ar y plan am yr stage nesaf busnes i dyfu.
Ie, pob i chi. Tydu nhw chi. Na, gwych. Da iawn. Dwi'n di brynu. Be ddod ni brynu wan?
Down on the waterfront, the weather was pretty miserable, so a socially distanced coffee warmed me up before I headed down to the jetty. I was there to meet Gethin Owen. His boat, My Way 2, is back doing fishing trips again, with new safety measures in place, of course, but it's been a tough few months.
It's been hard. For 3 months we've been unsupported so far, and that's been the hardest thing, because we've still got our business commitments to maintain, laying fees, licences, insurances, and then we've seen loads of other people getting supported. Now, don't begrudge them, because everyone needs it. But we're just wondering, why aren't we? Why aren't we getting this support?
And then you, the businessman, comes out, fighting in a way at the end of it. You're pretty determined to get the business back up and running again, and you're out fishing again.
Yeah, we're out fishing again. I mean, we didn't spend lockdown owning and growing. As I said, you're emailing yourself and taking help with me. But at the same time, working on procedures, COVID-19 procedures, risk assessments, automatic hand sanitizers, everything to make people safe. You know, to instill the confidence. At the end of the day, I want to be safe. So I want my customers to have the same sort of experience.
Dych chi'n clywed sut oedd y tywydd oedd na'n stopio ar y gwynt ar glaw heddiw, ond o leia dych chi'n sych wrth gael gwylio hwn. Mi o'n i'n socian ag yn lyb wrth fynd lawr i'r Beach Hut lle maen nhw'n edrych ymlaen i allu rhoi croeso cynnes i bobl eto.
Spoken to you a lot during this.
Yeah.
You've been very patient, and the sector's been very patient, because you knew all of this was for a reason. But now you're just ready for it.
We're ready for it now. I think I'm certainly talking to a lot of our regular customers, so they're really keen to come back on this. They recognise that what everyone's had to do in terms of safety, etc., and sort of travel restrictions and social distancing. But I think everyone's ready to move to the next phase.
Ie, braf bod o gwmpas Caergybi heddiw. Cofiwch, cefnogwch eitha eich busnesau lleol bob cyfle gewch chi.